Apple having its best day since May 12th. But my next guest says, while this is a big move, shares are still range bound with resistance between 215 and 216 per share. Joining me now is Katie Stockton, managing partner at Fairlead Strategies and a CNBC contributor. And Katie, it's great to have you on. And let's start right there. A big move.
Everybody's watching this big move today, and unfortunately, it is not a breakout on the chart. We do still have that resistance between about 215 and 216, and it's a pretty significant level. It's been tested multiple times. So in order for Apple to actually break out in a positive technical catalyst, we need to see it above that resistance.
Okay. So in light of that, I guess, what does it usually take to see Apple make a move higher like this? If a $100 billion investment doesn't do it?
You would think it would, but, it's just momentum. The sentiment got pretty bullish, of course, in July. So I think the market's suffering a bit underneath that overly bullish sentiment indication. So not only do we need to see sentiment shift sort of meaningfully in favor of upside follow through, we want to see momentum behind the move. And in order for that breakout to be confirmed, meaning not only we see Apple get above it, but hold above it, that would require a momentum shift because it's been very much neutral. The choppiness that we've seen in Apple has been very neutral. And as it has gone sideways overall, it's actually continued to underperform overall versus the S&P 500.
All right, so let's shift gears to another Mag 7 name. We've been teasing it, the mystery chart. It's Tesla. What are you seeing in the Tesla charts?
It's another neutral setup in a way. It's a triangle formation. We love triangles because they tend to give way to really big moves. The catch is because it's neutral, it doesn't give you an indication which way you're going to see it break. So we watch the boundaries of that triangle formation really closely. And for Tesla, on the upside, we're watching about 330. And on the downside, it's about 295. These are converging trend lines. If we were to see a breakout or a breakdown, those would be very important indications for people interested in Tesla because you tend to see that immediate and pretty sharp follow through on the back of those breakouts from triangles.